In today's video, we will see complete count functions like count, count A, count blank, COUNTIF and COUNTIFs. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. First, we will see function of count. These are the items which got sold and this is quantity sold. So I want to count how many items got sold. I'll insert function of count plus or equal to count, bracket open. I'll select my range, will close the bracket and will hit enter. So total 20 items got sold. Let's insert the same function over here, plus or equal to count, bracket open. We will select the range, will close the bracket and will hit enter. We are not able to see count of items over here. So what's the basic reason? Count only works where numbers will be there. In case there will be no numbers, it will not count anything. I'll insert few numbers over here and it counted the numbers. I'll undo this. We'll delete the function of count and we'll insert the function of count A plus or equal to count A, bracket open. I'll select my range, will close the bracket and will hit enter. Now we got our count. I'll insert few numbers over here and still it's counting the number of items. Means either it will be a text or a number, count A is going to count all the numbers or items. Let's delete these three numbers and the count got reduced to 17. This time we want to count our blanks. So our function will be plus or equal to count blank, bracket open. We will select our range, will close the bracket and will hit enter. So number of blank cells are 3. What if I want to count all the items along with blank cells? So we can use count A along with count blank. I'll delete this and will insert the function of count A plus count A, bracket open. I'll select my range, will close the bracket plus count blank, bracket open. I'll select the range once again, will close the bracket and will hit enter. And this time it counted the number of items as well as it counted blank cells. So in this way you can combine two functions together. Now let's move to COUNTIF. This time we are going to count number of items. So what's the count of TV, earphone, tablet or earbuds or TV? Few items got repeated over here. So we will create a list plus or equal to unique, bracket open. We will select the range, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got list of our items. In case you want to arrange your list alphabetically, just click behind unique and insert sort, S-O-R-T, bracket open, come to the end, close the bracket and hit enter. Now we will copy our list, Control C or Command C and we'll paste it over here as a value. Now we can delete this. Count. So what's the count of earbuds? We will use COUNTIF over here. Plus or equal to COUNTIF, bracket open, range. Our range is this, items, function FO and the cell will be logged, comma, criteria, double inverted comma, earbud, double inverted comma close, bracket close and we will hit enter. So number of earbuds is 1. Let's drag this. It's showing 1 in all the items because we had typed earbuds manually. I'll delete this along with double inverted comma. We'll click over here and we'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this and we got count of all the items. Over here we want total quantity of earbuds sold. We don't want count over here. So in that case we will have to use formula of SUMIF plus or equal to SUMIF, bracket open, range. So what's our range? Items. We'll press function F4, comma, criteria. So our criteria is this, comma, sum range. We will select total quantity sold. We'll press function F4. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll drag this till down. So total quantity of earbuds is 1 and total quantity sold of earbuds is 104. In the same way, total quantity of TV is 7, means 7 times we sold TV, but the total quantity in 7 times was 743. So over here we saw COUNTIF as well as SUMIF. Let's move to COUNTIFs now. Items. We will create item list as before, plus or equal to unique, bracket open. We will select the items. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll insert sort and we'll make it alphabetically. Enter. We'll copy this, Control C or Command C, and we'll paste over here. Paste as values. We'll delete this now. In the same way, we will take name of salesperson also, plus or equal to unique, bracket open. We will select salesperson. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll arrange in alphabetical order, sort, bracket open. We'll come to the end, close the bracket and hit enter. Let's copy this, Control C or Command C, paste as values. Let's delete this. I think font is white over here. Let's make this black. Let's update our table. Over here we will be using two criterias, as per items and as per sales. Total count, plus or equal to COUNTIFs, bracket open, criteria range 1. So what is our criteria range 1? Items. We will select this. We will press function F4, comma, criteria 1. We will select this, comma, criteria range 2. So criteria range 2 is salesperson. We will select this. We will press function F4, comma, criteria 2. So criteria 2 will be the name of the salesperson over here. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this till end. So Albert sold 0 earbuds. Let's do it TV. And Albert sold 1 TV. Means Albert sold TV just 1 times. Let's drag this. Colby sold TV 0 times. Dylan sold TV once. James sold TV twice. Jasper sold TV twice. Total sales. We will use SUMIFs over here, plus or equal to SUMIFs, bracket open, sum range. This is sum range, total sales, function F4, comma, criteria range 1. Criteria range 1 is items, function F4, comma, criteria 1 is TV, comma, criteria range 2 is name of salesperson. We will select this. We will press function F4, comma, criteria 2. We will click on the name over here. We will close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. We'll take this in center. So James sold TV twice, but the total amount was this. Dylan sold TV just once, but the total amount was this. Let's check the quantity sold. And here we are going to use SUMIFs once again. Plus or equal to SUMIFs, bracket open, sum range. Sum range will be quantity sold this time, because we want count of quantity sold or sum of quantity sold. Function F4. Let's come to the right side. Comma, criteria range 1. So criteria range 1 will be items. We will select items. Function F4, comma, criteria 1. We will click over here on specific item name, comma, criteria range 2. So criteria range 2 is salesperson. We will click over here and we'll select the range. We'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged, comma, criteria 2. We will click on the name of specific salesperson. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. We'll take this in center. So Dylan sold TV just once, but the quantity was 105. So the amount got so big. In the same way, James sold TV twice, but quantity sold was 214 and the total sales was this. So this is how COUNTIF works. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.